gabi, magre-reflect ka. Did I use it wisely? Nakatulong ba ako sa ibang tao? Na-develop ba ako? Ganun. Yung reflections mo, paano mo ginagawa? Pag titingnan mo, 86,400 is a very large amount. It's a long period kasi 86,400. Diba? You should reflect kung gaano ka laki pala sa isang araw yung binigay sa atin ng Diyos para bigyan ng value yung time. Any more, ma'am? Kasi may nag-erase ka.
Currently kasi ma'am, aside from teaching, I am also a school registrar and property custodian in our school. So multitask. So through that, in order to manage my time, I decided to search on the internet mga tips on how I can handle my position and at the same time my time. So when I researched through internet, I found out that their time management has 4 quadrants. So I followed that quadrant. So the first quadrant is
para malaman na.
Yes. So the first quadrant is urgent and important. Second quadrant is urgent but not important. Third quadrant, not urgent but important. And the last quadrant is not urgent and not important. So in terms of paperwork, from Monday to Thursday, I focus myself sa teaching. And then every Friday, I do my paperwork. So when it comes to paperwork as a registrar, so there are some requests for Form 137 and if it is urgent, so I finish all the requests kasi as much as possible, ayoko may napipending. And then after I prepare all the requests, then that's the time that I will focus myself on other paperwork. So kung alin yung next dun sa quadrant na yun, doon ako mag-focus. So whatever yung urgent and important, yun ang kailangan ko i-prioritize. Yes.
Thank you so much, ma'am, sa tip na yan. So yun nga, on balancing, iba naman yung way ni ma'am ng practice niya to balance her time, to gamitin yung time. So may sense of importance siya, kung ano mas importante, yun yung unahin niya. Anything else? Wala. Yes.
This is my experience. When I'm working at Marilao, Bulacan, Vitamins Corporation, we Filipinos has no significance in time. Because when I went in Taiwan, they value much the time. Every second counts, as you said. Every second counts. There in Taiwan, I should finish 5 drums of tea. Because my work in Taiwan is in factory. I should finish 5 drums in 1 hour. So I divided that time, 1 hour, that 1 hour. Noong una, talagang hindi ko nagagawa kasi nga sanay tayo sa pangmuli-muli lang.
May bukas pa bahala na.
And my supervisor always scolded me because of that. So I learned the value.
Thank you so much. Parang reflect mo, di ba, yung sa kanina, in 1 year, as the student who failed the exam. Di ba? So 1 year na ginugol niya sa paaralan, isang bagsak lang, babaliputin siya. So that's how important. Parang magre-reflect sa'yo, ganun pala ka-important sa student. So, but then we should focus right now in timing, in teaching, or in learning. Punta naman tayo sa classroom as a future teacher, of course. So, according sa time is an imperative element in planning and implementing any learning activity. So, as a future teacher, we will use time to plan on how to set our goals for today in order to us to impart what we have learned to our students. hindi naman, di ba ma'am, binabayaran, as a teacher, binabayaran tayo ng oras natin to teach the students. So sa oras na yon, in just 1 hour, 1 hour subject, in 1 hour, paano mo may-use, how can you use that time na para malagay mo sa mind ng mga batang ito ang gusto mong ituro. So we have different aspects of time. So according to the notes, time flies without being noticed. Diba? As you can see it now, 2015, parang last week lang, January. As you can see today, it's June already. Ay, July pala. Sorry. Hindi ko rin napansin. It's July and it's July 4, di ba? So, meron na lang tayong half year para magkaroon ulit ng 2016. But when we ano yun sa teaching natin, as a teacher, dapat marunong tayong mag-handle ng time. Paano? Para at least ma-plan natin kung anong gagawin natin for today. We should always plan our goals. Diba, as an elementary teacher and secondary, I can see that teachers is a lesson plan. Yes. So if ever, before kang pumasok sa classroom, you are already prepared of what you are going to do for today. What you are going to, what activity you are going to give to your students. So from, as a teacher, we should also be a role model. As you can see, di ba ma'am, sabi ko, as a, bilang teacher, dapat kayong maging set ng model sa ating students. So first one, para magamit natin yung time wisely, we should be, as a teacher, we should also be punctual. And one example that is si ma'am. Diba, 6:30 pa lang ng umaga, 7 pa yung klase na. And I admire her. Kasi ako, sabi ko, nung first day, honestly, naging honest lang ako. In my first day, sabi ko, ay, first day pa lang ngayon. Sabi ko, wala pa yan, hindi pa yan magtuturo. Kasi first day pa lang, okay lang ma-late. Sabi ko gano'n. Kaya nag-text ako kay Mr. Eman. Sabi ko, Eman, may dala akong pandesal. Kape muna tayo. Sabi ni Eman sa akin, anong pandesal ka dyan? Nandito na si Ma. Pagtingin ko sa ulo, wala pang 7, nasa biyahe pa lang, nandiyan na si Ma. So parang you as a student, ano iisipin mo? Wow, si Ma'am ganon. Paano? Parang as a student, nakakahiya sa part kung napapasok ang class kung nagdi-discuss na si Ma'am. Diba? So as a future teacher, tapos may dalawang pandesal, magkakawin pa, di ba nakakahiya? Ganon ka-importance yung time na kahit 1 second lang. Even it's 1 millisecond, di ba? May nananalo na sa race. Ganon ka-importance, 1 millisecond lang. So as a teacher, kahit 1 minute lang pagpasok kung na-late ka, so 1 minute, you already impart what is letter A, letter B sa inyong students. So that's how important time is, even it's second, minute, hour. Time is available for all. Diba? Baka hindi naman natin, we did not buy time, right? And according to them, time is money. Because we can make money out of that time. How? Binabayaran tayo ng per oras natin. Diba? So as a teacher, kailangan nating mag-plan, set ng ating goals, how to achieve that goals in that way para sa ating mga students.
Okay, for example, like you said, you should plan. So you have the lesson plan. In developing or crafting your tool, there's a characteristic there. It should be smart. And what is that? That's the meaning of smart. Specifically, measurable, time-bound. Okay, you need to say that you have to balance the time so that you will be able to achieve it. No? Not always stay in one topic. So you have